Question. 1 in a division sum, quotient is 403. Divisor is 100 and remainder is 58. Then dividend will be A. 40,318. B. 40,358. C. 41,318. D. 49,158 ands. B divided equals divisor times quotient plus remainder equals 403 times 100 plus 58 equals 40,358. Question. 2. The largest natural number by which the product of three consecutive even natural numbers is always divisible is A. 16. B. 24. C. 48. D. 96 ands. C. Required number equals 2x 4 times 6 equals 48.